Take a ride in the 2017 Explorer. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power mirrors, traction control system, intermittent wipers, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find backup camera, leather upholstery, heated seats, auxiliary audio input, steering wheel audio controls, push button start, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, power steering. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.